Ken Tarus murumune wa Kenya Power na uria wari mbere yake Benchumo hamwe na agekenda mahigiro session ya borithi ya gigiri guku Nairobi. Igoti rigitanjwo gukinyaneria wake rucinde kana ekwiro aya nimekurekererio na bodi kana sha thutha wa gwikio ngono. Ekwiro aya magicukiro gukumia makiri ma shilingi milioni magana makenda kugirana thogori ya transformer cia thitima. Othe aya na kuri ugo makiregana na thitango cia hamwe na magi kwaga kurumira mutaratara wa watho hari uheani wa kandarathi ya transformer iria irerikanitie ari nginyaniriru hamwe na uhuthiri muru wa wabici.
Substandard transformers. True or not true? Chuma?
Not true, Your Honor.
True or not true, Beatrice Meso? Not true. True or not true, KP Mungai?
Not true. The answer is no, Your Honor.
Ekumana na gwikio ngono kwa Tarus na maafithange ane a kabuni ino haria marithero riu marugamitio wira ni bodi ya kabuni ino. Minister wa hinya uria uthikaga Charles Ketero akenena maafithange aria makurugamirira wira kabuni ino kwa ihinda ria mieri yukite.
So this is an interim team for 3 months to spearhead the projects which are ongoing as the board continue with what they were doing.
Ona kurigo gwikio ngono kwa muthiini wa kiumia ni guthanganirio. Mutongori wa thitango cia muingi Nurdin Haji niwe wathanire maikio ngono muthiini wa kiumia Tarus agicoka kwineana kuri maafitha borithi Jumapili hwaine.
Dr. Ken Tarus' house was actually upset with the wife placed in the boot of a car for no reason.
There are decisions which we have made, and energy is key. So we need to continue. Our colleagues who are facing the law, I think, will stand suspended as the law will follow the law.
Mwena wa thitango shirine uyo na kurigo ni ureganite na ihoya ria ekwiro aya kurekererio na bodi makirikana maya gwithara kuma guku bururi-ini. Mawakiri aya ekwiro aya haria marenda marekererio na bodi na kurigo magithanganira ihoya riri ria mwena wa thitango.
Accused persons are here in deference to the court. They are willing to face the trial, but the right to bail is their fundamental right.
Bodi ya urugamiriri wa kabuni ino ya Kenya Power kwira ndomereri kuri nyumba cia mohoro na kuri gwikirira a Kenya mihango no iguthie na mbere. Griffon Inooro TV ritoroko na masharia wa Gashuru.